So that isn't very nice. Poor old Diego. Enzo just took his bone and he went and sat right by Diego's bone, and he's not allowing him to go and fetch it. So what do? Well, the best thing you can do is just go get him another one as well. So let me quickly run and get one for him. Yeah, Enzo can be nasty if he wants to, but that is not part of his personality. I don't know where that came from. It's only in the last few days that he has actually changed a bit like that. So yeah, it can be quite a problem when your tiger just keeps on changing his personality. And yes, this is where I had to put it. I do not have more space, but it's not a problem. It's clean. It's in this bucket and it's able to close some of the sacrifices you have to make when you have a tiger in your house. Well, not in the house anymore, outside your house. So let's quickly give Diego this bone. He is going to be super impressed. And I went and got it for him. Look at that face. That is the face of a tiger that wants this bone. And he's got it. And immediately he goes. That's the thanks I get. Well, imagine being in a forest, somewhere in the wild, and all of a sudden that face is right before you. And what will you do? Well, you run, of course. No, it's not going to help. I think there's a lot of people that did not make it home to tell somebody what that looks like. So I think it is something to appreciate, to see that and to go home or tell someone what you've just seen. So thanks to technology we are able to do that. And yeah, Diego is something very special. He's got this sweet, innocent part, and then within a second he can change into the biggest, what can I call him, monster on the face of the earth. And I think that would have scared any other animal away. I don't think even a bear would listen to that for longer than a millisecond, and he would need to run. So yeah, there you've got it. That is the thanks I got for giving him a bone, because I felt sorry for him. But for a moment there you tend to forget that they are tigers. And why are they called tigers? Well, that was why. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.